Mario Antonio Carino. I did write I'm a composer singer. Lyricist, arranger. Almost all Bachelor of Science and Computer Science has their own version of weird stuff. This is my weird stuff. Because I'm a composer singer, arranger, lyricist. This is my weird stuff. Most of Comsi's love sci-fi. Beatles. The Daydreamer by Myron Antonio. That's a cool thing. Here's the story. Once there was a boy named Myron Antonio who always wanted to help people. Passing through man's communication and human capacity, he had a hard time finding himself always absent-minded to all the things happening around him. Yes, a lot of team hero scientists that works with it. I got it from the internet. Genealogy of Prince and Princess in England, in British. Joseph Parenko. A hero in Malmö, scientist, and nobleman, victory. He had his throne through great battle, releasing responsible character. Time, pure-hearted charisma, humility, and heritage. The entire population of King's Kingdom look up to him for their oath in their life as well as their future achievements. Sometimes the curious problems such as what's happening in the world at present time today. What I'm pertaining to is world crisis. Yes, in 2009, 2008, 2009. It happens, world crisis. That's the time when Barack Obama get elected for they want to stop the war against Islam because the price of the oil gets higher and higher, and people around the world are affected of the phenomenon. This world crisis. He will rise upon grapes in order to establish entire kingdom. Myron has this all characteristics, but his only problem is how to make himself great for other people to start his enormous dreams for them. But blood is blood, time slips like a tick of clock. Now he did accomplish his dream projects. Enable humans to enjoy anything they want and need for free. No joke, I can make all for free. I have lots of fruits. But in order to prepare for the businessmen who strive hard for their business, only need to reduce Project Auto down to Project 0-100. The important thing is no one to be hungry and get sick. Live Aid and inspires me in a lot of builder, a lot of applicants inspire me. The more that we got Chinese Mountain train, I'm just really I'd accomplish also other projects. No sickness, no hunger, no war, no this, no so it's always in perpetuity. Yes, I can do so. There's a lot of we computer science as system makers in order to speed up transactions, to speed up what else transaction system for traffic, etc., etc. Yes, I have system for Mountain has its own way of comprehending his vast talents above all human average highest geniuses, and yes, exaggerate. His gifts to humans never stop from the said project. There is only the beginning of another gigantic project such as Metallic Country that will join our typical cities around the world. Humans as the most dominant species of the entire universe. This is my plan. Humans is the most dominant species of the universe. Because the universe is so very, very wide. There's no need for country go against country or war against country, because the universe so wide can make a lot of ways to. There's a lot of ways to make it home. Other planets and space station, space countries, space cities, and the planets, biological and artificial, man-made solar systems, organic forests, and space exploration ships, towards the second part. Yes, I have an idea how to make such man-made planets and solar systems. I have an idea. Yes, make it classified. I will discuss it when just those experts, especially astronomists or astrobiologists, who will confront me. Biological and artificial man-made sources, so that they really did accomplish it all these things of the universe. And just yes, along with power and imaginary, see more those are exaggerate kids stuff. His wives were limitless series, and along with his limitless series of sons and daughters. See, probably it's for exaggerating. And he managed to acquire all his relatives and family that were revived and immortalized, leaving their immortality that was The Daydreamer by Maya Antonia. Alright, just for some of my plans. Maya Antonia, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. The lawyer among the grievous is me. A lot of computer science has their own good stuff. Thing is, you can't, but when you sad that it's close to them, that want to this way in front of science. This has been Mario tayo pa rin po ang clan pa rin regards in Makalinaw, regards to all Makalinaw pa rin around the world, this new autobus.